Friday, March 15th. Surprise, surprise. Tesla was actually the best and easiest name to trade. You may have lost a little bit on the first one, but you crushed it on the next two with both of the alerts running to 100% plus, no drawdown, no stress, just good times. And you were able to do this if you followed rigged tradability. So at 10 a.m., we send a tradability notification for every single ticker. If volume is over 110%, lock in. Here, it's only 101, 101.76. But what you'll notice is volume spikes right 1044 over 110%. And that's when we send this notification. So this is the notification that comes in. All of our Discord members get it who are paid. But this tells you like, hey, I want to look at Tesla. When you see this and it changes throughout the session, it's like lock in. Now we prefer to see this at 120% because that does mean you're going to get 3 strikes, like practically guaranteed. But still, possible trend day, want to follow the price action, secure profits, go to runners at 3, didn't get to 3, but 100% profit target. And as you'll see in the rest of this video, you lost the first one, but the next two, you got 100%, no drawdown, straight up. And if you win 2 in a row, getting 100%, do you really need to trade again? On a Friday, when everything sucks, and it's OPEX. Okay, so you have the notification, you come back, you're like, hey, I'm just going to check the chart, and I really just want to look at Tesla. And what happens? We go down. You get this one right here, okay? This is below the blue, and you can take it, but if you're patient, right, and you're waiting, because we need to be patient when these alerts come in, and let's look at the candles. Right, this thing is going down as soon as it comes in. So this comes in at 12:10. You get the alert at 12:11. You're looking at it right here, and it's still just going down. We want to buy this when it maybe looks like it's bottom, when it starts going up, really, right? It sounds simple, but like that's what we want to do. So, I mean, if you take it here, it goes up a little bit, you get stomped out. You lose 10%, 20%. 20% is probably down here, but you lose. Like, that's okay. We move on. Maybe it was wrong. Maybe something else is going to happen. Who knows? Take the loss, move on. But that doesn't mean look away, right? 1,300. Entire stock market bottomed. Magic, how it always happens, 1,300. Everyone gets back from lunch doing the Wolf of Wall Street thing. We want to trade it. Volume's high. Look at this thing. 201%. So the strategy guide is a little bit off for these option names. It's all built for 0 DTE, but we are going to adjust that next week. So caution, this could be the start of a mega nuke. This bull bomb may be early. The only time traded is the opener middle session. Not exactly correct, but you know, the interesting thing is like PS. We want PS -3 and lower. Okay? And this matches. -3.6. Could be the start of mega nuke. If you're looking at it when it comes in, it looks like it's sort of a bounce. I mean, it's going up. Tesla tends to do this when no one's paying attention because no one likes the stock anymore. It's terrible stock. Terrible cars too. But you get it. Even if you skip it, right? We skip it because strategy says it could be the start of mega nuke. What happens? The next one, trade it. High volume could mean +4 strikes. Perfect alert, catch a 400% return. Unfortunately, we don't get 400%, but you do get 109, 28 minutes, max drawdown, 1.45%. You know, every single Tesla bull, if you traded it and just held till the end, you made money. Every single one. We love to see that. We love to see that. Bull swing, trade it. You got crushed a little bit. Another one, bull bomb, trade it. You know, the thing when these other alerts come in, you check the chart and you're like, this one looks really good, okay? Because you just came down, you're at the blue, it's time to bounce. And it makes money before going back to the blue and then ripping at the end. But the fourth one, 1535, it's like, hey, let's look at this thing. You know, it's coming down, okay? You were up higher, it's coming down. We don't want that. We don't want that. I think the main thing to kind of grasp is like, hey, volume's over 110%. We want to look and we want to pay attention to the ticker. Pay attention to what's happening. You know, while this is nuking, the entire market's actually nuking at this point in time. We don't want it. But 1300, we bottom, entire market bottom. You could see it every single chart. You get this at 1314. Tradability is high, volume's high, and you get 100%. I mean, you get 200% if you sell it right here, but you get 100% without any stress, anything. That is what we want. That is what tradability means. The ease of which it is to trade options and return 100% plus. You got it on Tesla. We have really cool changes coming. One, to the box and how that's going to look, but then also the notifications of pushing it in your face all over. Hey, volume's at 110%, pay attention, log in. That's what you got. It worked on Tesla. It's worked almost every time except on QQQ today. Really weird. We'll review that in the next video. Make sure you subscribe if you want to join Rigged AI. $20 for 20 days, then $99 a month. Is it worth it? Have to see for yourself.